Hello, dear students. Hi. Now we will start the today's period. In previous period, unit first, topic first, digestion, we have already started. In that period, kinds of digestion, intracellular digestion and extracellular digestion we have studied already. Notes I will give you later on. Now in today's period, we will discuss on the physiology of digestion in alimentary canals. Dear students, when we are studying the physiology of digestion in alimentary canal, then we should know what is the physiology, what is the digestion, and what is the alimentary canal. First we should know these things. So physiology means the study of functions of organs and organ systems. So this is about the physiology. Then digestion means the breakdown of complex insoluble food material into the simple soluble food materials. And alimentary canal means a tube-like structure of varying diameter which starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. In between the mouth and anus there are different organs of alimentary canal. That organs are buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. So during the study of physiology of digestion in alimentary canal, so here we should know the where food digests in the alimentary canal. So students, you remember in alimentary canal, in the association of alimentary canal, there are some glands which help for the digestion, which secrete their secretion, and their secretion mix in the food which is present in the buccal cavity, which is present in the stomach, which is present in the intestine. So this food digests in three parts. In buccal cavity, that is called as the buccal digestion. So when food is taken inside the mouth and chewing that with the help of teeth, or we are crushing that with the help of teeth, at the same time the salivary gland which is present in the mouth secrete their secretion called as the saliva. That saliva mix in that food, that insoluble food becomes soluble and easy for passing from one organ of alimentary canal to the next organ. So it passes from buccal cavity to the stomach through the pharynx and esophagus. Then in the stomach, the food is digested. So gastric glands are present in the stomach that secrete their secretion, that is the gastric juices, that is the enzymes which make the food easy for digestion. Then from the stomach there are two parts. The anterior-most part is called as the cardiac stomach and the posterior-most part is called as the pyloric stomach. So here food passes from this stomach, passes the food to the small intestine, then to the large intestine. So it's and every place food becomes digested and digested. So when it is in the small intestine, some enzymes or some secretions of the digestive glands again come and mix in the food, and that food again easy. to digest. In this way, the food is digested in the alimentary canal, and the waste material, the debris, comes out through the anus. So, in short, I will summarize here: food taking in the alimentary canal, crushing it with the help of teeth, it becomes masticated, the saliva mixes there and passes to the stomach. In stomach, it again digests, then it passes to the small intestine, again digested food, then it passes to the large intestine, which is also called as the rectum, and then it is passes outside through the anus, which is called as the stool, or which is the fecal matter. So friend, today we have studied the physiology of digestion in alimentary canal. If anybody having any doubt, so you can personally contact on my mobile number. You study this, I will give notes in the PDF file, and whenever you are having any doubt in your study, you can contact on my mobile number. I will solve your difficulties. Okay, thank you very much.